Hey, Bubba does.
Hi everybody, I'm Bubba and welcome to my studio. Today, I'm going to teach you how to draw a pirate character. So grab a paper and something to draw with and let's get started. Okay, we're going to draw one character here in the center of the page, so make sure you give yourself some space. We're going to start with the eyes of our pirate. So we're going to draw two lines like this. Some jagged lines above for the eyebrows, and then two rounded shapes underneath for our eyes. Perfect. Let's fill in the pupils, looking to the side, and then two lines coming underneath like that. Let's give our pirate a nose, and then a line across the top for a hat, like this. A little bit in the back to show the back of the hat. Now underneath the hat, we're gonna do some jagged lines for hair. And some jagged line here. Jagged line on this side. And we're gonna put an ear right there. Perfect. Next, let's give our pirate a beard. We'll start up top, do some jagged lines all the way down here on this side, jagged lines all the way down here, some jagged lines on that side, come on that side, and then a rounded shape for his lip. We'll finish off the beard by doing a jagged shape on the inside here and here, and a few detail lines for the beard. Perfect. Now, let's move down to the body of the pirate. Let's give a neckline and a collar for his shirt. We'll put a triangle here on the side, another shape here. A rounded line underneath. Then we're going to start with his leg. It's going to come out here, the top of his boot. And there we have a boot shape. Over on this side, we'll do a rectangle and then a triangle shape for his peg leg. Perfect, just like that. Next, let's give our pirate an arm. A rounded shape at the end for his hook. And here, another arm on this side. Some rounded shapes for his fingers. Then just a couple details. And some hairs coming underneath his hat. And there we have a pirate character.
Yay!
You did a really good job on that one. Thank you so much for drawing with me today. I hope you'll come back really soon. Bye.
Please make sure to subscribe and share with your friends. This helps YouTube continue to share our videos so that more kids around the world can continue to learn how to draw with Bubba. Thank you!
Big box. Videos.